Hello students, welcome back to my lecture. Today we are going to learn poetry section 2.6 poem Money written by William H. Davies. So first of all, according to our according to me, I think first of all we have to come to know what is the money. See, what is this? This is the Indian currency. We can say this currency what? Rupees. And what is this? This is the United Kingdom currency. In United Kingdom, this currency we can say what? Dollar. By rupees and by dollar. Both are working same. We can purchase through the dollar also our necessity. We can buy our need कि जो चीज़ें हमें खरीदना है उसका उपयोग हम डॉलर करके यूनाइटेड किंगडम में डॉलर का उपयोग करके खरीद सकते हैं और इंडिया में उन्हीं चीज़ों को जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ यूज़ करते हैं दैट थिंग्स वी कैन परचेज थ्रू द मनी परचेज थ्रू द रुपीज एंड दिस रुपीज एंड डॉलर बोथ आर इन जनरल वी कैन से मनी एंड दिस मनी एंड डॉलर money means rupees, what we can say rupees, dollar, or in short we can say money. That is what very important to live our life peacefully. So first of all, I think we come to know what is the money. According to me, money is the most important things in the world. Right now, anything we want to purchase, maybe food item, maybe clothes, anything, we need money. But according to the economics, what is the money? According to the economics, money is the set of assets in the economy that people like us regularly use to buy goods, service from other people. So in this way, we can say money is only item or verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment for goods, services and for repayment of debts such as what? Such as taxes, etc. things. In general, we can say money is a current medium of exchange in the form of coin and bank rupees or bank notes. So in this way, we know children, any need we want to satisfy, what we need money. So this money poem is written by W.H. Davies. So we have to take short information regarding W.H. Davies. So W.H. Davies, his full name is what? His full name is William Henry Davies. He was born 3rd July 1871 in Newport, United Kingdom. William Henry Davies, when he was very small or 3 years old, that time his father was died, and after his father's death, his mother subsequent remarriage. Davies was nurtured or we can say raised by his grandparents. He attended school until age 14 and then apprenticed with a picture farmer while attending night school. At the age of 22, with a small inheritance, he boarded a ship to New York and spent the following 6 years train happening across the United States and Canada, supporting himself through casual labor and panhandling. After a March 1899 train hopping injury that necessitated the amputation of his right leg below the knee. Now what? In March 1899, due to the what? Injuries. Which injuries? Train injuries. W.H. Davies become amputated. Amputated means what? The person whose leg cut down. What? Knee के नीचे से what? नी के नीचे से, घुटने के नीचे से जिसका पैर कट जाता है, दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज एम्प्यूटेड पर्सन. And in which activity that leg is cutted, that activity is known as amputation, right? So Davis also what? Davis leg also amputate. Where? Which leg Davis amputate? Right leg. From where? From below the knee. Davis returned to Wales and then settled in London. After amputation, Davis returned what? Wales and then settled in London. Davis spent a significant part of his life as a temp or hobo in the United Kingdom and United States, but he became one of the most popular poets of his time. The principal themes in his work are observation about life's hardship, the ways in which the human condition is reflected in nature, his own tramping adventures, and the various characters he made. Davis is usually classed as one of the generation poets, although much of his work is not typical of the group in either style or theme. David's some famous collections are, some poet collections are The Fog, Winter's Beauty, The Dark Hour, Dream of the Sea, Thunderstorm, The Sleepers, Easter, The Kingfisher, which poem I think vernacular medium students remember this poem, The Kingfisher, they learn in a 9th standard. The Plain Life, The Heap of Rock, The Mind of Liberty, No Master, The Rain, April Lamp, etc. are their famous collections. So, now we have to come to know about the poem. So, this ice-breaking question afterwards we will solve. So, about the poem. So, what is given in poem? The poet what tells in the poem? The poem tells us about the rich man who want to be a poor man, to find the real happiness. It is when do not have money or have lost our money. We realize how important the money is. At the end, the poet says that now he does not have money. He has true friends, though they may be few. So through the poem, in poem what he says, poem says us, what in the medium of poem, poet want to tell us. And poem also tell us what, when we are rich person, we had many friends, we have happiness, but when we become poor or when we lost our money, then we can realize what is the importance of money. When we had money, we invest anywhere money. We don't realize what is the importance of money. But when we lost money, then we realize the importance of money in our day-to-day life. So in this way, poet, from the poem, he tried to says that money is what? Very important in our life. When we had money, we had many friends, but they are not true friends. They become our friend because of money, or in hunger of money. They become our friend in hunger of money. But when we become poor or when we lost our money, that time we had very few friends, but they are what? They are true friends. So now we have to study what is the theme of the poem. So, according to me, the main theme of the poem is the effect of money on the behavior of people, false friends are plenty. When a man has money, and when man has no money, he has real friends, but they are fewer. So in short we can say Money is connected to true happiness and false friends. Right? Okay, let's start the poem Money. When I had money, oh money, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. So poet what want to tell here? When I had money, money oh. Poet tell about his pastime when he still has much money and he was rich. Again he says what? He knew no joy till when poor. He say what? When we don't have money or lost our money, lost our richness, we will realize how important the money in our life. How we waste our money in the past time, that also we realize. He knew that he won't be happy when he don't have money. Again third line, for many a false man as a friend. In the past he has many friends, but not the real friends, not the true friends. It means that they just be a good friends when they want his money. His happiness with has many friends is untrue because his money is their friend. Again he says, came knocking all day at my door. In past time what? When poet is very rich. When poet is what? Had much money. When poet has much money. The fake friends always come to him for his money. Means to knocking his door. For what purpose they are knocking? To get the money. In short what we can say? When poet has what? Money. He says money in the past time. Oh money in the past time. When I has money, money means when I was rich. I know. When I had money, then I am very happy. When I realize this thing, when I become a poor, then I realize what? Without money, no one be happy. And then he come to know, when he had money what? Without thinking anything, he is wasting money. Means investing money here and there or wasting money. So when he become a poor, he not have happiness because lack of money. So he realized when he had money, that time he not taking care of money. And then he say what? When he was rich, he has what? Many friends. And that friends are what? That friends are not a real friends. They are become a friend of a poet. Why they become a friend of poet? Because poet has money. Actually, they are not knocking the door of poet. Actually, they knocking the door of money. Means in hunger of money, they make a friendship with the poet. Next para. Second para. Then felt I like a child that hold a trumpet that he must not blow, because a man is dead. I dared not speak to let this false world know. What? In the first two lines. Which first two lines? Then I felt like a child that hold a trumpet that he must not blow, because a man is dead. Till to here, line completed. So in this line, poet tried to say what? Poet tried to say, tell us that he feel no freedom like a child who cannot blow the trumpet, which he held as he pleased. Poet tried to tell us, in most cases, if child have a toy in their hand, they will play it continuously because they have freedom. And here, child is not able to blow the trumpet because a man is dead. Next line. I dared not speak to let this false world know. So in this slide, poet want to tell us man may be interpreted an adult man or a ruler who had set up the people, and then he will let the people in this world realize itself that so far they do not have any freedom. So in this paragraph, writer what want to tell? Want to tell by giving the example of child. Child what? He want to tell what? Regarding the freedom of the man. By giving the example of child, he told small child always having a freedom. But what? Here in this poem, the child have what? This is the trumpet. Trumpet is what? It is musical instrument. एक खेलने का toy है. So children's what? They always have freedom to play with the toy. No restriction for the children. So here what? This child had the trumpet. He what? With this trumpet, he is what? Very happy. But here he does not have permission to play with the trumpet, or he has not played the trumpet. Why? Because someone is died. And that's why writer says what? Through this line, we peoples are not having what? We peoples not have a freedom to speak anything or the false thing of front of the world. Next para, that is, much have I thought of life and seen how poor man's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. Morn means morning. So I think it means that the poor had been thinking about life continuously, right? Like thinking hard to understand meaning of his life. And then he realized, who he means what? The poet realized. Poet think it means that poor man's life is very hard. So their heart is never light. Again he said, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. Poet tell it means the poor man's wife always grumbled and not satisfied with their husband's work, because husband is what? He is not giving more money or not giving much money how much they need. So although the poor man always work hard all day, maybe because they don't earn much money, and that's why their wives are not satisfied by the what? Poor man. Again I read, much have I thought of life and seen how poor men's heart are light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. Here what? Here the poor man's what? Poet what want to say? That he thought what? Poor man's life is what? Not ever light-hearted. Why? Because he's not earning too much money, so he's not able to give the big amount of money to his wife, and that's why their wife is what? They are humming. Even they are working from morning to night, and then also their family and their wife is not satisfied by their earning. Next para. So when I hear these poor one laugh and see the rich one coldly frown, poor man think I need not go up so much as rich men should come down. So see, so when I hear these poor one laugh and see the rich one coldly frown. See, here poet want to say what? Poet is thinking this is the condition when life changed usually. Poor people are never happy and rich people always are in prosperity. So, when things turn, means poor become rich and rich become poor. When things turn around, the poor one will laugh with the state of rich people who suddenly become poor, and the rich one who do not receive ridicule by the poor one. Poor man think I need not go up so much as rich man should come down. Poet what says through this line? And that poor people not need to rich, but much. Rich people must be poor. It means that the rich people must know the poor lifestyle. So when they lost their prosperity, it would be fine. And they can what? They can deal with the condition. Now, next para. When I had money. When I had money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue. But now I have no money, oh, my friends are real, though very few. Again I am reading this para. When I had money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue. What here poet tried to say by this line? Poet says, his all friends never sincere with him. They are not a real friend in all condition. But what? But now I have no money, oh my friend are real though very free. Then what writer say? When poet has no money, he finally has a true friend. Even they are what? In a few number, but they are a real friend. So through last para, what poet tried to speak out, what poet tried to tell us? Poet tried to tell us when he had money. He say in the past time when he had money, what? He had many friends. But they are which type of friend? They are untrue. They are not a real friend, because they are friend of what? They are friend of poet's money. But how I have no money, oh my friend are real, though very few. Again he say, but now I become poor, but I become poor means I am not having money. Now I had friend, I has some friends, but they are what? They are real friends, and when I am counting on my finger, they are very few. See how the writer explains what is the value of money. When you had money, each and everybody want to become your friend. If you are not had money, only few people want to become your friend. So I think by reading this whole poem, the poet tried to tell us about the rich man who want to be a poor, want to find the real happiness. Their experience of crisis, monetary, because the what situation says it, right? So in this way we learn today which poem? We learn the poem Money, and through this poem we come to know what is the importance of money. Now I am short giving this summary. See, through the money poem, writer what want to say, poet what want to say? In the beginning paragraph, the poem what? Poem say when he was what? He was very rich. He was what? He has many friends. So when he become a poor, then he come to know what is the value of money. And then he come to know the friends, those are coming all day to his door when he was rich. Now they are not coming to the poet. Means they are what? They are not a true friend of poets. They are what? They are friend of money, and that's why writers say they are their false friend. And next para he say, writer try to say what? Then I failed. Then writer what? Writer tried to felt what? Like a child who was given a trumpet but told he cannot blow it because there has been a day. He was afraid of being cheated by those who called themselves his friend. Now next para he say what? Since then he has what? Pondered on the true meaning of life. Then he is what? He tried to search out the true meaning of life. He has watched how those who do not possess much money are light-hearted and their family is happy. Poor men are able to laugh easily while the rich are worried This makes the poet wonder that it is the rich who should experience poverty and not the poor who should become rich. And final concluding line he say what? When he was rich, the people who claimed to be a friend were actually what? Not a real friend. They are what actually? They are false friend. Now that he was no money, he has real. Now that he has no money, at present what? He has no money. So he has a what? Real friend, but they are very few. So students, in this way, today we learn money poem. In money poem, we learn the meaning of money. Then we learn about the poet. Then we discuss about the theme of the poem. Then we discuss about the poem. Right? What we learn? First of all, we learn the meaning of the poem. Then we learn about the poet. Then we learn about the poem. Then we learn theme of the poem. Then afterwards, I given full explanation regarding the poem. Then I summarized also finally poem. So already before starting the poem, I told when we complete the poem, then we start the ice-breaking question answer. So now we start the what? 2.6 money's ice-breaking question answer. See, first question, discuss in the class about importance of money. So what in class, what we have to discuss? We discuss what is the importance of money. First one given us, money is used as capital in business. How money is used in business? Just like a capital. Next one I give it. It is used by traders to fill up stock. Who use money? Traders use. For what purpose they use? To fill up the stocks. Now, it is means money is used by the common man for buying essential and necessities. We common man. Common man means just like us, middle class people. They use money for what purpose? To buy their essential things. What is our essential and necessary things? That is what? Purchasing groceries, purchasing cloth, purchasing food items, right? Purchasing vegetables and fruits and many other things. That all which is very essential. Okay, when we become sick. So what is the essential thing for that purpose? That is the medicine is the essential thing. So in this way, which we common people for what purpose use the money? To buy the essential and necessities. Next one, everyone uses money for paying transport fare, food bill, wages and so on. So everyone means maybe that person is rich, maybe poor, maybe middle class person. Each and every person what? Use money for what purpose? When they are traveling anywhere by transport, so they must have to pay what? Transport fare. When they take the grocery from the shop, they must pay the food bill. Or take example, when we go to when we went to hotel, right? Now in lockdown, सब होटल बंद है. तो जब भी होटल चालू था, that time when we went to hotel what? When we take lunch or dinner, so we must pay the bill. So in this way, we use the money. In world, each and every person use money. For what? For paying transport fare, food bill, wages and many more things. Now next question is what? Complete the way. See, maybe in exam, which way money is spent judicially. How the judicially we can spend the money? First point I given. Paying fees for bright students who are economically backward. Which person's fee we are paying? The student who is very good in study but he is not able to pay fees. So that is students, we have to pay the fees. For paying fees purpose we use the what? Judiciary, we use the money. Next I given, used to help women set up small business. Now what? Women's, to empower the women, right? Indira Gandhi started what? Free education till to 12th standard. So what today? Women are learning regarding the business. When they want to set up the business, so what? The judicially we can spend the money on women to set up their business. Next is given already in textbook, donation for poor and needy. So what? Judicially, whatever money we have, judicially we can donate that money. Which people? The people who is very poor and the people who is needy. Next I given, to support fine arts, craft like music, traditional art form. So what? जो हमारे जो फाइन आर्ट्स है, क्राफ्ट है, म्यूजिक है, जो ट्रेडिशनल थिंग्स है, उस वो आर्ट को, जो हमारा पारंपरिक कला है, दैट इज दैट आर्ट, दैट म्यूजिक, टू सपोर्ट दैट म्यूजिक एंड आर्ट वी हैव टू व्हाट? जुडिशियली वी कैन स्पेंड मनी ऑन दैट institution who is supporting our fine art, craft, like music, dance we can say Bharatanatyam, music we can say that is music we can say traditional music or folk music. Next question is what? Make a list of good quality of your friend. Means make a list of the good qualities. Means in your friend, which good quality that you have to list out and write here. I written my friend's good quality. If you want, you write your friend's good quality. Calm and good tempered at all times. My friend is what? Any situation. She is what? Always she is calm and she is always what? In good temper. उसको कभी गुस्सा नहीं आता, एकदम शांत रहती. So this is what? This is her good qualities. Next is what? Helpful and concerned about anyone in trouble. My friend is what? She is head quality. What? If any person is trouble, she is what? She concerned about that person and she is ready to help that person without having any tension. बिना सोचे समझे वो क्या करती है? अगर देखती है कोई पर्सन क्या है, ट्रबल में है, तो उसके लिए वो कंसर्न हो जाती है और उसकी मदद करने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है. Third point I written about my friend, quick to calm down any situation that could become unpleasant. क्या होता है? जो भी सिचुएशन अनप्लीजेंट होने जा रहा है, वहाँ पर मेरी फ्रेंड क्या कर रही थी? She will quick to calm down. She is not become warm, she is not become angry, she is not become uncivil. She become what? She quickly calm down. When she saw here this situation is not good, if she what? If we also warmly talk, that situation become what? Unpleasant. So she will what? Quickly calm down. Next I given, very simple and down to earth in spite of coming from an extremely wealthy background. Background, wealthy background. My friend is what? She is very simple and down to earth in spite of coming from an extremely wealthy background. My friend is what? She is too rich. She is coming with a luxury car. But what? Her behavior is very simple. And that's why her this behavior, what? Very simple and earth in spite. These are what? These her behavior are very good. And that's why I counted in where? I counted in good qualities. See this question answer I given lastly because this is big answer. So after completing this question, I will give this question's answer. Right? Next question we will read. This question after completing this question's answer I given already. Do you lend money to your friend? Give reason. Do you lend money means can you take money, lend money for your friend? So yes. So for which purpose or for which friend you lend the money? If you are not taking, so which type of friend? What is the reason behind it? Why you are not taking? So here first given, she is a very bright student, hopes to study well and find employment. I lend money for which friend? Because my friend is what? She is a very bright student, means very good in studies. She is a very disciplined child. And I hope when I lend money, what? She will study well, then afterwards she will find a employment, she get the job. And that's why I lend money for my friend. Next I given, he / she will fall sick if she does not have good nourishment. Okay, I thought when she is not getting good food, good vitamins or good food, the food which is good, having good vitamins or good nourished, the food which is not which is good nourished, that food if my friend is not get, she will fall sick, and that's why I'm ready to lend the money for my friend. Okay. Lastly, I written third one. His or her mother is the only breadwinner. His oblique her father will receive. Now we are what? I lend money for my friend. Why? Because her mother is only the earning. And his father what? He fall sick. So it is my duty. I have to lend money for my friend because it is good severity or good money. Whom I am not give the money, I am not, which friend I am not lend the money? Because, see, first one, I know that he oblique she get enough money to spend. The friend who already get enough money from his or her parents, he get enough money to spend or enough pocket money she get to spend. So for that child, I am not, that friend I am not going to lend the money. Next I given, he or she waste time at movie and mall. The friend, which friend? The person who is what? Wasting their time at what? Movie. Where he is going theater for watching movie, he waste his time, or he went mall for wander or for time pass. For that type of person, for that type of person, I am not going to lend the money. Next I given, he or she come to college only to meet friends and socialize. When any person is just like what? The person is not coming to take education. The person is not interested in study. Only she is or he is coming what? To meet the friend and become a socialize. So for that person, I am not going to lend the money. Okay. So this question's answer I am not given. So now I am going to give. I told this answer is big, so there is no place to write. That's why lastly I will take. So here see the question. Share your views on money is the root of all evils. What? Share your views means अपने विचार क्या करो? Share करो. क्यों? Money is the root of evil. आपको एक पॉइंट मिला. मनी क्या है? वो evil का रूट है. तो इसके ऊपर आप अपने पॉइंट, अपने व्यूज बताओ. फर्स्ट व्यू आई गिवन. sorry first one, money is resource. First is what? Money is resource. Second I given, resources should be available used in time of need. What? Money is one best resource and it should be need when it is need. जब समय की मांग हो तभी इसका उपयोग करना चाहिए. Next I given, money is accumulated by few people or others in need are deprived, or some people are not paid fully, or workers are paid less for their time and energy. What they say? Money is accumulated by few people, or other in need are deprived. Means some people, those are not in, they accumulated, and those are needy person, they are deprived from money. So what? And or some are not paid fully, or workers are paid less for their time and energy. Means workers are working at your house or farm or company and you are paying less. How much they are giving more time, wasting more energy, and then also you are giving. So that's why what? Money is accumulated. Sometimes when this happen, when any cheater or any bad quality person accumulate the money, then these all activities work. Next I given, employers get profit, imbalance of resources. What? Employer get profit that time or when the imbalance the resources. Next I given, imbalance in wealth causes discontent among the disadvantaged section of society. Imbalance in wealth causes. What causes? Discontent among the disadvantaged section of society. Next I given, because of money crime increases. Next one, sorry, haves are targeted by have not. What? Haves are targeted by have not. Next one, eighth one, normal life becomes unstable. Because of money, normal life become unstable. Next one, accumulation of money causes this upset in society. What causes accumulation of money is causes what? Upset in society. So important. Last one I'm given. So important resources become reason of evil. So important resources becomes reason for evil. So in this way, today we completed our poem and ice-breaking question. Next lecture we will start brainstorming question. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.